Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to see how we can use Qt AI and how it can help you to write your code inside code editor, and it is going to be revolutionary because you can talk with that code, you can make optimization to the code that you are trying to create through the AI, and it will help you to write the code that you are trying to create. So to understand this, we already have this rectangle from our previous videos. What we are going to do is, like, when we will create code from the Qt AI, it will reflect over here the UI widget. Let's create a widget which we will reflect it over here. And what we are going to create is a simple calculator application which is going to be created through the AI. We are just going to tell it this is what we want, and it is going to give it to us, and we will make some changes to that code, and we will see how it can be reflected and how it works. After you right click and add the logic, this is the rectangle that you will get. You can right click, insert code, go over here. So for this, what we are going to do is, let's call it Qt AI dot. Now you would see over here, when you will click on this, this will open up, and you can just tell it what do you want, and it will do it for you. For now, let's just say create a calculator widget. So what it will do is, like, it will create a calculator widget for you. So like you could see over here, it has created it, but it is not complete. So what you could say to it is create a complete calculator widget. It will take some time. The longer the code, the more time it will take. So you could see that it has created this whole thing over here. But as you can see, it is using flat button, which is not defined. So you could say to it, flat button is not defined. Use something else. Now you could see it is using text button, through which we are not receiving any error. But as you can see, this is not actually writing the complete code. So okay, so you could see that it has generated this colon blup, where it is a function which returns a widget, and that widget is a calculator app. So for now, I'll just close it down. Go over here, go to the Qt demo, and what we need is a colon blup method, because it will return this widget, and that is what we are going to pass in the child. And now let's just run it. When I will click over here, so as you can see, it has created this calculator application for us, but it says that it is overflowing. So for that, what we could do is, we could just increase the width of the window and just hot reload it. Go over here, and now you could see it easily, but it is writing the code for us, but it is not calculating anything, right? So for that, what I would have to do is, like, just go over here and tell it calculate button should calculate values. So now that it has created the code, you could see that it has used some third-party library. It is called parser, but we don't have any import for it. So you could tell it add import for the parser. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we don't have a third-party library installed, which is called maths expression, because it has added the import for it. So to add the third-party library, you just have to go to the add package, and you could see over here it says maths expression, add package, math expression. See it over here, just hit install. It will install it, and it is installed, and the analysis is running right now, as you could see, and the analysis is complete. Just go over here, hit a space or something like that, so that it will just reanalyze the whole lines, and as you can see, the error is gone. Now I can just rerun it. So just click over here, and as you can see, all these buttons are here. What I will do is, I will just do 12 plus 3, 2, and it will calculate it, and it will give 44. I think the list is going in this direction, so that's the thing. You could obviously give it more prompt and tell it like how you want it to be done, and it will do it for you. And what else you can do is, like, I think everything will work. I'll just -3, it will do 39, and if I say into 2, it will do 78, divided by 2, it will make it 39. So you could see this is how the AI works. So you could give it the prompt and it will write the whole code for you, and if it is not writing the right code, you could tell it this is what I want, and it will do it for you. And slowly and steadily we will keep improving this AI by training it more. But right now this is how it works. You can just tell it this is what you want and it will make those changes for you. And when you find that there is some kind of a third-party library it is using, so you can tell it to add an import on top, and when you see that import you could understand like, okay, so just right click on it, add package from pub.dev, and you can search for it just similar to what you get in the import, and from there hit install and wait for the analysis to get completed. When it says analysis completed, just go over here, press a space, and it will be done. So that's how it is going to be. And in the next videos we are going to cover other things. In this video we have covered the QTI and you have understood like how it works, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, bye bye.